Are you tired of overwatering your succulents, splashing water all over your living room, or struggling to reach those tricky hanging baskets? Have you ever wondered if the right watering can could make plant care easier, more precise, and dare we say enjoyable? Today, I'm sharing my hands-on reviews of the 5 best watering cans for plants. Whether you're a houseplant enthusiast or a garden warrior, there's a watering can on this list that will transform your plant care routine. Let's dive in. Number 5. Fiskars Small Watering Can. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Fiskars Small Watering Can. At first glance, this can impresses with a sleek, modern design and a long, slim spout that's perfect for reaching into dense foliage or watering hard-to-reach pots. The translucent spout with volume markings is genuinely helpful for precise watering, especially for those of us who tend to overdo it with the watering. The lightweight build, made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic, makes it easy to carry around, even when full. In use, the Fiskars can pour smoothly and gently, which is ideal for delicate indoor plants. The contoured shape fits comfortably in the hand, and the easy fill top means you don't have to fumble with removing any lids. I found it especially handy for apartment gardening, where space is at a premium and spills are a no-go. The drip-free tip is a thoughtful touch, preventing messes on your shelves or floors. However, the Fiskars Small Watering Can isn't without its quirks. While the design is undeniably attractive, I found myself wishing for a proper handle, especially when my hands were wet or when I needed a more secure grip. Some users have even resorted to adding grip tape to the neck for extra security. The 40-ounce capacity is perfect for small plant collections, but if you have a larger jungle, you'll be refilling often. For those with dozens of plants, the limited size can quickly become a chore. 4. Qilebi Watering Can for Indoor Plants. At number 4 is the Qilebi Watering Can for Indoor Plants, a favorite among houseplant parents looking for a budget-friendly, all-purpose solution. With a half-gallon capacity, this can cover more ground between refills than many other indoor options. The long spout is a standout feature, allowing you to reach under leaves and into tight corners, while the removable rose creates a gentle rain shower, perfect for delicate seedlings or outdoor pots. During my testing, I appreciated the comfortable grip and well-balanced design. The offset fill hole is a clever touch, keeping water from sloshing out as you walk from sink to plant shelf. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and comes in a variety of cheerful colors. The Qilebi is also durable, holding up well to regular use and even a few accidental drops. But, as with any budget pick, there are a few caveats. The removable rose comes in 2 pieces, and unless snapped together and tightened properly, can leak quite a bit. I had a couple of incidents where water dribbled from the spout, soaking my windowsill. The rose also tends to fill with water, so removing it can result in unexpected splashes. The spout, while long, isn't as precise as some of the higher-end models, and I found it easy to overwater smaller pots if I wasn't careful. Another issue is visibility. It's not always easy to tell how much water is left inside, especially with the opaque plastic. Number 3. Chapin 2-gallon Watering Can. Cracking the top 3 is the Chapin 2-gallon Watering Can, a workhorse that's equally at home indoors and out. This can boast a generous 2-gallon capacity, making it a fantastic option for anyone with a large collection of pots or garden beds. Despite its size, the Chapin is surprisingly lightweight and well-balanced, thanks to its dual-handle design. The top handle is perfect for carrying, while the rear handle provides excellent control during pouring. One of the standout features is the removable rose, which delivers a gentle, even shower without overwhelming delicate plants. The spout is thoughtfully designed to prevent spills, and the fill hole is angled so water doesn't slosh out during transport. I was impressed by how easy it was to fill, either at the sink or with a garden hose, and the sturdy polypropylene construction feels built to last. In practice, the Chapin 2-gallon watering can performed admirably. The water flow is consistent, and the can is comfortable to maneuver even when full. I appreciated the leak-proof design, and the rose is easy to clean, ensuring a steady spray over time. The black plastic is practical and resists fading, and the can's compact footprint belies its generous capacity. While it's not the most stylish can on this list, the Chapin makes up for it with sheer reliability and ease of use. 2. XXXFLOWER Watering Can. Runner-up on our list is the XXXFLOWER Watering Can, a favorite for those who need both capacity and versatility. Holding up to 1.5 gallons, 6 liters, this can is ideal for larger gardens or anyone who wants to minimize trips back to the tap. The long, adjustable spout is a game changer, letting you direct the flow exactly where you need it, upwards for gentle watering or downwards for a more direct stream. During my tests, I found the double-handle design exceptionally comfortable, especially when carrying a full can across the yard. The removable rose allows you to switch between a fine mist and a steady stream, making it suitable for everything from seedlings to mature shrubs. Despite its large size, the XXXFLOWER is surprisingly easy to fill in a standard kitchen sink, and the sturdy plastic construction held up well to drops in daily use. One of the best features is the cap that fits over the fill hole, preventing splashes and keeping out debris or curious critters. The can's stability is impressive, and the water flow is smooth and controllable. While the design isn't the most eye-catching, it's more utilitarian than decorative, I found the performance more than made up for any lack of style. The only minor drawback is that the can dent if dropped on concrete while full, but it didn't leak or lose functionality. For anyone with a large plant collection or outdoor beds, the XXXFLOWER Watering Can is a reliable, thoughtfully designed tool that makes watering a breeze. Number 1. Qilebi 2-gallon watering can. Taking the top spot is the Qilebi 2-gallon watering can, the ultimate blend of capacity, comfort, and versatility. With a full 2-gallon capacity, this can handle even the largest plant collections with ease. The dual-handle design is a standout, offering multiple grip options for carrying and pouring, which is especially helpful when the can is full. What sets the Qilebi apart is its removable stainless steel sprinkler head, which delivers a gentle, even shower that's perfect for everything from delicate seedlings to thirsty outdoor pots. The spout is long enough to reach into deep planters or over bushy foliage, and the large fill hole makes refilling quick and spill-free. I was impressed by how well-balanced the can felt, even when loaded to capacity. No awkward tipping or wrist strain here. The Qilebi 2-gallon watering can is also built to last, with durable plastic construction that resists UV damage and won't crack or fade with regular use. The design is both practical and attractive, making it a tool you won't mind leaving out on the patio. I found the water flow easy to control, and the can's generous size meant I could water my entire collection of houseplants and patio containers in one go. Long-term use revealed no leaks, no clogging of the rows, and no discomfort during extended watering sessions. The only thing I could wish for is more color options, but that's a minor quibble for such a high-performing product. Final thought. So, whether you're nurturing a single succulent or tending to a backyard jungle, the right watering can makes all the difference. From the stylish Fiskars to the powerhouse Qilebi, there's an option here for every plant lover. Happy watering!